Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing very easy techniques, how to do multi-layer haircut, with beautiful output layers. Please do watch till end, to see the techniques, partings, sections and overall output of hairstyle before and after. If you like this haircut, please do like, comment and share with others. This haircut suits for below shoulder or up to waist length. For this haircut, hair texture should be straight or wavy. This haircut gives volume, so not recommended on curly hair. For clients, those who want volume around the crown area, this haircut suits best for them. So, let's start. First of all, for this haircut, you need to start with one length haircut from back. This haircut creates perimeter to the haircut and decides the final length at the back. To do this haircut, you need to take partings in sections. We'll start taking section from center profile to nape area. This section name is profile parting. You can also check in video how to take this section. After dividing entire hair into two sections, start taking section from crown to top of the ears. This section name is radial parting. You can also check in video how to take this section. Now you have divided entire hair into profile and radial sections. And now you will be taking third section, that is, diagonal forward section. This section you need to start from below the occipital bone to middle of the ear. You can also check in video how to take this section. Once you're done with sections, make sure the client's body position should be straight. Then comb the hair thoroughly at 0 degree elevation. And cut the hair in square. Continue doing the same till you reach just below the crown. Over direct hair from sides to back and cut according to guide and cut square. Once you finish one length haircut from back, you also need to do forward graduation from front for this haircut. Forward graduation haircut creates perimeter towards the front of any haircut and decides the final length at the front. Forward graduation can be done independently by taking diagonal backward section, but for multi-layers haircut, you don't need to take diagonal backward sections. Instead, you take entire radial section and over direct towards front and cut it square by showing in video. While cutting forward graduation, make sure you don't cut the corners, as it will take the length off and the length would be tapered. Hair that does not come in the section, that means length is maintained. Once you're finished with front cut, take 1-inch profile section from hairline to nape area, over directed to crown, and cut short to long. By showing in video, divide and check with your client, which is going to be your shortest point of layer. Follow the guide and entire section is over directed to crown, cut it. Next section, take from in between the occipital bone and crown, to the top of the ears. Over direct to crown and cut. By showing in the video, by cutting in this section will add volume to the hair. And last section, you need to take, from back below occipital bone and, over direct to crown, then cut it in square. Follow the same section by section. Once you're finished with the entire haircut, cross-check the lengths. If lengths are perfect, use heat protectors to protect hair from heat equipments and style the hair. Give the tips and suggestions to client how to maintain their hair on daily basis. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.